My name is Dr. Paul Fragner. I am an orthopedic surgeon, subspecialty trained in hand surgery. After going to college in New York, I went to medical school at Upstate Medical University. I did an orthopedic residency at Downstate Medical University in New York City. After that, I did a one-year fellowship in hand and microvascular surgery at the University of Pennsylvania. And I've been in orthopedic practice for the past 20 years. I've been in practice here in White Plains and at White Plains Medical Center for over 16 years. My practice is limited to problems of the upper extremity, hand, wrist, and elbow. One of the new advances in treatment for a very common hand disorder is something called Dupuytren's disease, which is a diseased tissue under the skin that will cause a bending or contracture of the fingers. Historically, people have needed very risky and lengthy surgery with a big recovery time for this. Now there's a new treatment just FDA approved within the last year where there's an enzyme that can be injected safely in the office and the diseased tissue can simply be broken by straightening out the finger the next day, saving people very risky surgery and a prolonged recovery time and getting them back to using their hand very quickly. So we're always looking for ways to try to get people better as quickly as possible in the safest possible way. I think that I am a conservative and pragmatic type of surgeon, meaning that we always like to try to get people better without surgery if possible, but certainly if surgery is necessary, then we try to do what's least invasive and keep to our goals, which is to get people back to using their hand without pain and to have good function as quickly as possible. And I think that those same principles describe a lot of the surgeons here at White Plains Hospital, which is trying to get people better without surgery whenever possible, but White Plains Hospital has the most highly trained surgeons in the area. Certainly, since I've been here, it's the best hospital in Westchester. And the surgeons are highly trained and use the latest techniques, and we have the best equipment and fantastic nurses. So I think certainly anyone in the Westchester area that has an orthopedic problem will do well to come to this hospital. I think if you go back even 10 years, there was a thought in Westchester that you needed to go to New York City to get the best orthopedic care. That's not true anymore. The orthopedic surgeons at White Plains Hospital are all trained at the best places in the city and in other major institutions, and one can receive exceptional and great orthopedic care right here. It's very rare that anyone needs to go to New York City or anywhere else to receive the best orthopedic treatment.